Today, of course, we mark the 206th foundation anniversary of our dear province. We are humbled when we contextualize our small role. We are also cognizant of its importance and our responsibility and our stewardship of the great province of Ilocos Norte, and most importantly, our accountability to the great people of our province that make our province truly great. Today, we will conduct several distributions to our key stakeholders to mark our continued commitment and service to our kakailian. Today, I ask all of you to join me on this new chapter. May we make it a chapter that we can all look back upon with great pride and joy in knowing that we did all that we could for our kakailian. Naragsak a fiesta, agbiyag Ilocos Norte. Diyos tiyag dinaka.